Hello everyone, Namaskar. Indian kitchen is just like medicine shop. Medicine shop. All items are available with items what we use in regular diet. With that we can cure our health. We can keep ourselves fit. Today I'm going to talk about garlic. The garlic, a nice garlic which gives you strong smell but delicious taste also. So how to use it, how much quantity you have to use it, and a few recipes, 5 recipes also I'm going to share with you. It gives a lot of benefits. The benefits, if you count it, you will see a number of benefits, and also it's good for health. By the way, my name is Dr. Devika Bhatnagar, soft skills trainer and motivational speaker. Let's see first the benefits. What are the benefits? First benefit is that if you are suffering with high BP, high blood pressure, garlic is much advisable. You have to use it. And also diabetic patients, it is much recommended because garlic contains sulfur which controls the diabetes. So that is why for diabetic patients it is much useful. And also it protects the liver because it is containing a lots of antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties. That is why this is much useful to control the liver, and also detoxifies the body. If any toxins are there in the body, garlic is going to detoxify it. And if you have cold, cough, garlic is the best way to use because it prevents and treats the cold. And also if you have any bone problem, sometimes bone density is very weak, in any of such cases, or you want to protect bone health, then definitely you must use the garlic. So, and also if you have cholesterol problem, much recommended food this is garlic, because cholesterol it controls. Some medicines, if you see, blood thinners, they use the garlic. Why can't we use it directly? Why to use the medicines, isn't it? So it controls the cholesterol. And also if you want to improve the memory point of view also, it is very much recommended. Nowadays you are hearing cancer problems, so garlic is having the anti-cancer properties. Those who are taking the cancer treatment, doctors are directly suggesting them to take much garlic. And if you don't want to get into the cancer problem, garlic you must use it. And if you have obesity problem, for to control the obesity, to control the weight, garlic you have to use it. And also if you want to improve the immunity, this is going to strengthen or boost the immunity system. You'll become strong. Benefits are a lot, especially for high BP, diabetes and cholesterol point of view. This is much advisable. How much to take the garlic? If you see the garlic, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces are enough. Quantity is big. Okay, 4 flakes per head in a day. It is much recommended, at least this much. And recipes, I'll tell you few recipes. Very interesting. You can share these recipes. You can start using it. First thing is that when you prepare any chutney, like I prepare ridge guard tori chutney, and also bottle guard chutney, tomato chutney, and mint chutney, any chutneys, whenever I'm preparing, I use garlic, at least 3 garlics, 1, 2, 3 flakes, garlic flakes. I just put it directly after frying those ingredients. Before grinding, I just put this, means raw garlic. Remember, raw garlic without cooking, this is going to give you much benefits. Whenever you're preparing chutneys, raw garlic pieces, flakes, you can just grind it directly, no need of cooking. Or if you want 1 or 2 minutes, you can cook it. Direct use it, much beneficial. Chutneys, any chutney, whatever you're preparing, coriander chutney, mint chutney, tomato chutney, or bottle gourd, ridge gourd, any chutney you're preparing, use it directly. This is one of the best way to use it. Second thing is that seasoning any lentils. When we prepare lentil, dal, any lentil, you have to use this garlic for seasoning. Much quantity use it because all your family members are eating, na? So increase a little bit of much quantity. And third thing is that some people prepare garlic powder also. Garlic powder, soak it and make it a powder, are readily available in the market. rather than readily available, always better. I would advise you to prepare at your home, because you'll get a pure garlic powder. Anything, whether it's amla powder, garlic powder, or coriander powder, anything, you better to prepare at home. Pure one you'll get. So garlic powder also for seasoning of some of items you can use it, garlic powder. And also fourth recipe I want to say, when you cook rice, before serving the rice, take 4 garlic pieces, garlic flakes you take, and you just put it in the rice before serving. 5 minutes before you have to keep it like this. And that portion where you kept the garlic flake, that portion you serve it to those people who are suffering severely with cholesterol, high BP, diabetes, okay, heart problem. For them you have to serve that particular portion. Means raw garlic 3 to 4 pieces you are having. One time in a day is more than enough. It is going to give you much benefits. In this way you can use it. And next one is that garlic mirch people prepare. Garlic mirch. Simple. You can take dry chilies or chili powder. Anything you can take, put it in the mixie. Along with that, dry roasted coriander seeds, dry roasted cumin seeds, and also this much of garlic pieces. Put it in the mixie and grind it. Garlic powder is ready. Garlic mirchi powder is ready. This you can use it in your daily cooking and also when you eat with rice. This garlic powder you take a little bit, 1 teaspoon, and add a little bit of ghee and have it in the beginning first meal. At least this much enough. In this way also you can use it. Not only these 5 recipes what I shared with you. You may be having some ideas in any other way how we can take the garlic. Anyhow, I know some communities they don't use garlic at all. Whoever is using it, better use it in a beneficial way and also get the all the benefits, because it is going to protect our health, isn't it? So don't leave it. Hope the talk is useful. Let me know your views in the comment box. I love to read your comments. Next video I'll take up any other important topic. If you want any topic, you suggest me in the comment box. I'll come up with the same topic. So stay connected and always stay healthy, keep smiling, keep shining, stay fit.